people out here. I'm gonna start right here in the middle.
I don't think so.
Go back that way.
I'm going right over here.
Go back that way.
Right here.
I'm just gonna follow Redmond wherever he goes. Where's Redmond? Nothing under the trees. Don't hunt under the trees.
I put some in anthill. If you see a big anthill, go for it.
We have some raffles. The 700. Okay,
1 minute.
Good question. For those of you who haven't been here, we'll be hunting for about 45 minutes to an hour. Once we are done, come in, we'll do the prizes. You guys are allowed to come back out in the field as long as we are here cleaning up. Once we leave, we expect you all to leave as well. So, detectors on and up?
Yeah. Beans up in the air. Up in the air. Hold them up so I think you're ready. Beans on and ready.
Top one. Seen that one, that's a beaut. Hey, fun. Damn, two of them back to back. There's a quarter, boys. Another buffalo nickel, no? V-nickel. This is fun. Somebody left a penny there. That's a hot ball. That's a weird one. They dug these up good. There's a V-nickel in there somewhere. flew. So I'm gonna give up on it. Ooh.
Somebody must have. What kind of detector do you have?
Deus.
Yes. Okay.
Listen.
I'm taking something.
She don't send nothing. What kind of detector do I have? Batteries die. Here. There's the spot. Quiet.
Yeah, man. I thought it picked over pretty well. I know, right? Good job.
Did you find any big silver? That's like me. I found 7 or 8, and then maybe 3 or 4 buffalo nickels that had and a couple tokens.
Oh, they're pretty good now.
Yeah.
You got 3 of them? We're a team.
10 of these in it. I knew I could.
Let's go to the truck. I'm done. Yeehaw. Go, girl. All done. There it is.
Don't be shy. Just act like that you own the place. What's
The only blue detector is in a box.
Yeah, we signed up for it like 2 months ago. And I said, come on. And the thought was that we go out and practice and stuff.
I know. I'm surprised at you. Well, you're fair skinned anyway. How come you don't have the big old suit?
What's it there for?
I gotta sit down. Don't blame me.
These are the burgers.
Hot dogs, burgers, and sausages.
Good giveaway to shape, huh?
All right, 22.
Sarah?
Thank you. That is OC Jewelry, $50.
I missed $100. Well, I got.
That's pretty neat.
Yeah, I won one last year. Everybody else got one. So.
Mine's 25.
That's gonna be sweet.
Okay, it'll be a nice day. Bring the wife out for a drive.
I like that.
All right, number 25.
That's a score.
Okay, 61. 69. I'll trade this for that. 70.
There you go.
$15 Denny's. 71.
We're heading out of here. Had enough. See everybody behind her. Look at them. It's been fun though. So if you want to go next year, let me know.
Which one is it?
It is the one with the lighter thing on the back. It is
Nothing on the
not
back.
the dark one.
Writing on the back?
No, with the writing on the back.
No writing. No writing on the back.
Oh, you bought a 65.
Where's that kid at?
Jerry's. All right, this is for 1 ounce bar.
041-297.
All right.
Good job, Connor.
All right, this is for the other bar.
The better one.
Oh my God, these are funny.
041-188.
What are you, 118?
All right. All right, this is for the 1834 half bust. Up a little bit.
041-255.
Loser.
041-255.
Hold on, Bob.
Yeah.
041-255.
Without the writing on the back.
Yeah, we probably won that too.
255.
Too late.
We'll find this vendor next year.
Redraw. 255 slash 3.
Just give him the prize.
If he wins that Equinox.
That was the last one.
All right, this is for.
Give it to John.
Don't hate the messenger.
That's right.
924-5569.
You do.
A score. That's that.
Again, if you guys want to go back out and just look around, there's still apparently a token out.
Well, we're done now. Got her back in the truck. Got all my coins out. That's what we got. Did okay. Well, that's a steel penny. And there we have it. We got almost a whole roll of dimes, huh? Silver dimes. Yeah, I don't know how many's there, but it's a lot. These here are pretty good. So cool. Yep, there we are.